National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, eastern Marion County in northeastern Texas, northeastern Harrison County in northeastern Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Karnak, or 20 miles northeast of Marshall, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Tornado warning for Bossier
Hazard,
Parish.
tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Oh, the radio's on the back.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oil City and Morningsport around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Boston and Belcher around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gilliam around 8:35 p.m. Central
Tornado
Daylight
warning.
Time.
Again, guys.
Plain dealing around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include
Tornado warnings have been issued today.
Alden Bridge,
That's why I want
Caddo
them.
Lake, Gray, and Cabot.
So many.
Take cover now.
So many. I just got
Move to
confused.
a basement
I don't
floor
even
and
know.
interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes.
It's almost. Okay. He didn't even get done.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight